how do I make an Amazon wish list, make a wish list on Amazon. Now you want to make an Amazon wish list because Amazon doesn't provide one by default. But what we can do is we can create custom list on Amazon. So for that, you can open the Amazon shopping app and make sure to log into your account. From there, simply tap on the account or the profile icon from the bottom of the navigation menu. Then, just go to the list option that you can find from the very top. You will see the option called Your List and Registries, and I have created a couple of lists you can see. Now let's say you want to create a wish list, tap on the plus icon and simply name your list. You can also name this a shopping list or wish list, whatever else it is, and then tap on the Create List button. Now you have successfully created your list, which is also wish list. But let's say one bonus tip is you want to add this list or the product to your list. Then you go to a certain product page first. Then from there you can scroll a couple of steps below and then you can see the option called Add to List. So when you tap on it, you'll be able to see a wish list you created, which you can select and add the product to. This way you can make an Amazon wish list or a custom list on Amazon. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.